Hi friends! Welcome to Unboxed Toy Reviews, where we review the newest and most popular toys. Now let's see what Boxy has for us today. Ooh! It's a limited edition Hatchimals CollEGGtibles Set! Open up the doors and discover 26 Hatchimals, with 2 exclusive Hatchimals ready for immediate play and 24 eggs waiting to be hatched. There are so many new friends to discover! Once you've hatched all your new friends, keep them cozy in the 6 flip-down nests. These nests are the sweetest way to display and play with your Hatchimals. To start hatching, use your leaven care to warm up each egg until the purple heart turns pink. Gently press down to crack the shell and meet your Hatchimal. Now let's meet all of the Hatchimals we just hatched. Chameleon with silver wings from the Jungle family. Donkey Moo with silver wings from the Farm family. Duckle with silver wings from the River family. Turtuffin with silver wings from the Desert family. Radiant Beeble with pink wings from the Radiant Reef family. Special edition Starlight Narwarbler with silver wings from the Starlight Shores family. Pandu with silver wings from the Jungle family. Tigrette with pink wings from the Jungle family. Puppet with silver wings from the Meadow family. Paw Swift with silver wings from the Forest family. Lulu with purple wings from the Ocean family. Lynx with silver wings from the Forest family. Limited edition Midnight Koala Bee with blue wings from the Midnight Masquerade family. Squirlilly with pink wings from the Forest family. Boomin' Swatter with purple wings from the Boomin' Bluffs family. Sandsnake with pink wings from the Desert family. Radiant Bataboo with silver wings from the Radiant Reef family. Sandsnake with purple wings from the Desert family. Prowl with silver wings from the Garden family. Belugal with silver wings from the Ocean family. Boomin' Owlcorn with silver wings from the Boomin' Bluffs family. Starlight Hamstar with pink wings from the Starlight Shores family. Peru with pink wings from the Jungle family. Squirlilly with silver wings from the Forest family. Beeble with pink wings from the Garden family. Draggle with silver wings from the Savannah family. Hatch a whole world wherever you go with the Hatchimals CollEGGtibles Deluxe Collector's Case. Only available at Costco, this glittery purple collector's case is the ultimate addition to any collection. Thanks for stopping by our channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and tune in next week to see what surprises Boxy has waiting for us.